It looked like a simple stick, but by the command of Allah it became a serpent, turned into a miracle, and even split the sea in two. This is the legendary story of the staff of Musa al-Salam, a wooden stick that changed the course of history. Prophet Musa al-Salam saw a fire on Mount Sinai. When he approached, Allah spoke to him directly. "And what is that in your right hand, O Musa?" He replied, "It is my staff. I lean on it and I beat down leaves for my sheep." Surah Taha 20:17-18. Allah said, "Throw it down, O Musa." When he did, it turned into a living serpent. Terrified, Musa al-Salam stepped back. But Allah said, "Do not fear. Indeed, you are of the secure ones." Surah Al-Qasas 28:31. This stick was no longer just wood. It became a miracle of divine power. Later, when Musa al-Salam faced Pharaoh and his magicians, they threw their ropes and staffs, and they seemed like snakes due to magic. But when Musa threw his staff, it turned into a real serpent and swallowed all their tricks. And the magicians fell down in prostration. Surah Taha 20:70. They declared, "We believe in the Lord of Musa and Harun." As Pharaoh's army closed in, Musa al-Salam stood at the edge of the sea. His people said, "We are surely overtaken." But Allah revealed, "Strike the sea with your staff." Surah Ash-Shu'ara 26:63. He did, and the sea split into two giant walls of water with a dry path between them. Bani Israel crossed safely, and Pharaoh's army drowned behind them. This staff stayed with Musa al-Salam throughout his mission, a constant sign of Allah's support and miracles. Musa's stick was never powerful on its own. It became great only when used in obedience to Allah. Your efforts too, no matter how small, can split seas if used for the truth.